How to clear cache in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye like icon. Simply tap on this icon. So now we're in this app info. In other mobile contexts, you can even directly go through settings and open app info. Now here on the right bottom, there's a button called clear data. Simply tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. So it will take some time, and as you can see, whole temporary file is gone. Now if you restart the app, it will be lag free and you can enjoy the app easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.